Hello everyone, Jai Hind. Today I'm sharing a step-by-step system that most email marketing gurus never explain. Want to turn your email list into your most profitable marketing channel? In this 7-day email marketing course, we'll guide you step by step from understanding the fundamentals to confidently crafting campaigns that convert. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to sharpen your strategy, you'll gain the clarity, frameworks, and confidence needed to grow your audience, boost engagement, and drive real results, all in just 1 week. Ready to build a strong foundation in email marketing? Day 1 starts with the essentials. What email marketing really is, why it's so powerful for business growth, and the different types of emails that connect and convert. You'll compare email marketing with social media, explore real-life campaign examples, and end with a hands-on task to inspire your own strategy. Ready to turn theory into action with the right email tools? Day 2 guides you through choosing and setting up your email marketing platform. You'll learn how tools like Mailchimp, Brevo, and convertkit work, understand key concepts like email lists and automations, and end with a hands-on task, creating your own account so you can start building and growing your list right away. Want to build an email list that's ready to engage, not just a list of names? Day 3 is all about growing your audience the right way through permission-based marketing and valuable lead magnets. You'll learn how to create attractive offers like free guides and discounts, design effective sign-up forms and landing pages, and strategically place them where your audience can't miss them. Plus, you'll end the day with a ready-to-use sign-up form to start capturing leads immediately. Want to write emails that don't just get opened but get action? Day 4 focuses on the art of persuasive email writing. You'll break down the key parts of a high-converting email, from compelling subject lines and preview text to clear body content and strong CTAs. Learn how to strike the right tone, add personalization, and apply simple copywriting formulas that turn readers into customers. Plus, you'll finish the day with your first 2 email drafts ready to send. Want your emails to look as professional as they read? Day 5 is where branding meets design. You will learn how to structure clean, mobile-friendly emails using templates, incorporate your brand colors and logo effectively, and decide between text-based or image-rich formats. By the end, you'll design a polished email that not only looks trustworthy, but also keeps your audience engaged from open to click. Want to work smarter, not harder, with automated email sequences? Day 6 unlocks the power of email automation. Learn how to set up sequences that nurture leads on autopilot, like welcome series, abandoned cart reminders, and smart follow-ups. Discover how triggers and actions work, save hours every week, and end with a hands-on task, creating your own 3-email welcome series to start engaging subscribers automatically. Want to turn insights into results and avoid the spam folder for good? Day 7 brings it all together. Tracking performance with key metrics like open rates and CTR, mastering deliverability to land in the inbox, and learning best practices for timing and testing. Avoid common beginner mistakes. Fine-tune your approach with A/B testing and end by optimizing a real subject line for better results. This is where data meets deliverability. Thank you for watching. Keep growing with us by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing to help us bring you more value every time.